Steven here from Recreational Power Sports, coming at you with another new Avalon here. This one's kind of special and unique. It's new for Avalon this year. So it's a 2025. It's an Aura, and it's a 19-footer. So I'm going to go through it with you guys top to bottom and inside and out and show you what it's all about. So first thing you're going to notice here is the Shoreliner trailer. It's got the rock guard material on it. So the theory of it is that if you have any rocks hit up, it won't chip and it won't rust. It's got just tongue jack. We got the hitch there. And then we got the winch stand here with 3 steps to get in and out with a nice grab handle here, okay? On the outside of the boat, you're going to notice with the anodized outside exterior, right? Very nice tunes on the outside. And this one here is the atomic yellow. So it's got the yellow and it's a rotocast exterior. So it's a little bit different than your traditional pontoons. Rotocast opposed to the aluminum exterior. I'll show you what it's all about when we get inside. Let's come to the back. We've got ourselves a nice Aura decal. We also have a couple fender holders, as you can see here. Nice little feature. At the back of the boat, we've got a nice little swim platform with a 4-step boarding ladder. Gets you in and out of the water really nice and low. And we have this paired nicely with a Yamaha 90 horse. It is the SHO, the VMax. So it is an upgraded motor, a little bit more horsepower, a little more throaty, and it's got some nice decaling, as you can see there. The last thing you're going to notice on the outside of the boat here is we have on the trailer, we have some load guides that go from the back to the front. That's just they're just in place there so that it's a lot easier for you to load the boat. If you want to follow me inside, I'll show you what the interior is all about. You can see here in the inside what we got going on. So first thing you're going to see, we got a nice little swim platform off the front, about a foot. So you get the ability to jump off, do whatever you want to do. Very nice features here. As we walk through, you can see we've got the upgraded flooring in it. And as we get inside, you can see the colors that we got matching here. So it's got the atomic yellow, and it's got the charcoal, and then like silver color interior. So the unique part of this boat is the whole walls and everything, and the seats are all rotocast, and they're built in one part, I guess. So it's all together. It's all modular and put together. It's a super cool idea. If you go underneath, it's all open, rotocast underneath. You can see lots of storage, kind of goes through and through, right? So we got inset cup holders all the way around the sides. And you got right here a movable backrest. So this one could come up and it could go into the other location, which would be, I don't know if it's that one or, let me just see. Sorry, it's not that one. It's this one here. So, or you could put it into this location. So very movable, very easy. So you could just lounge around and hang out, right? So lots of room for people on this boat. Super cool looking boat. At the helm here, you're gonna notice we got ourselves a nice little interior light, nice little windshield, upgraded chair, tilt steering, which is one of my favorites, just to help you get in and out of the boat. Some analog gauges, as well as a wireless charger and holder for your phone. So super cool idea there. Your accessory switches there. You got yourself a Bimini as well. And at the back of the boat, something unique here to this boat is it doesn't have a stereo built into the head or into the dash. It actually has 2 wireless JBL speakers with charging ports right there. So you just Bluetooth right to them, which is a nice little idea. You could add as many as you want or don't have to use them at all. You got through and through walking. So it's unimpeded walking, as you could see. So you could go right from the front of the boat to the back of the boat, you know, run out, jump off, whatever you want to do. Lots of room back here to jump off the boat as well and just hang out. So this boat is ready to go. It does come complete with boat, motor, trailer, mooring cover, as well as the Bimini top. If you have any questions about this boat, you can check us out online, recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the dealer. I'd be happy to show you.